What's good everybody, it's your boy Jammer. Welcome.
Aiwewe bafwe ichipya miphuma namakwebu ngeni ngososhuna ingane ziyakhala.
Hey yo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Jammer back again with another video, guys. So I'm finally back, guys. Today's video, guys, we're gonna be asking people some questions about Amapiano, you know, the likes of Scott Mapuma, Lime Crazy, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you very much, guys. So today I'm here with
Brian Jayam.
Oh, Brian Jayam.
Yeah.
Okay, Brian, Scott Mapuma or Lime Crazy?
Scott Mapuma.
Scott Mapuma?
Yeah.
Why?
Just angikhaza amaculelo akha. Angikhaze nje. Uyanginspire kahle kahle.
Okay, favorite song yakhe ke?
Bani ngiyebo lapho. Kufuneka sibhamu somdubu.
Line lakhe ungangishayela lona.
Awuyebo lapho kufuneka isibhamu somdubu. Yeah.
Okay, what's the hottest song right now? Mzansi, Amapiano.
Mzansi.
Yeah.
Ini ibiri maluka leya ya
Biri what?
ini ibiri mathunga leya yakabani kambe le trenda nyalo manje ingoma nyayikhohle icula ngibani kwa ishibale nje manje kambe Jima Shiko
awunamanga lapho imara ibiri marunga
yeah angicaba ukuthi yabo.
Okay, hottest verse ngiphi nyalo lekhona kahle kahle iverse layo lentswembi nyalo la ya le mapiano
ekiri ona Leon badlala ya le
usho ukuthi ningashali ya le la vocalistic
le
oh
ekiri le
cash content
mina ngobe ka level 50 feet
level nale biri marung
yo
straight
50 feet
yo okay camera, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here with
Balenhle
Nontokozo
Mathapelo Nompilonhle.
Okay guys, so first question for you, ne? It's Lime Crazy or Scott Mapuma?
Lime Crazy wakhona.
Wena?
Scott Mapuma. Lime Crazy.
Wena?
Scott Mapuma.
Inzawo?
Because mina ngiyamthanda Scott Mapuma nadewe ngakhona nje yabo. Yes, nalama jayivelo akhe nalo lomculo wakhe ungithinza vele emanonini vele.
Okay, ungashaya le dance yakhe makuthi Frostana vele.
Yebo, lapho.
Okay. Wena? Why usilime Crazy?
Lime Crazy mina ngiyamthanda vele ngalendlela acula ngakhona. Scott Mapuma vele haye ekuthi vele uyeta mina ngitithandzela Lime Crazy ngalendlela acula ngakhona. Uyacula kafana na Lime Crazy uyakhuluma. Kane akaquli. Ngithanda Lime Crazy.
Oh, Lime Crazy uyakhuluma.
Uyacula. Lo uyakhuluma.
Okay. Okay, so liverse lothandza Lime Crazy ngiliphi?
Ufuna negoli we. Wenza negoli we.
Yelo ngime Crazy. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wena? Ufana na Mapuma ngani wena? Line vele. Liverse lakhe is strong.
Ayishmara
Awadi. Okay guys, okay, what's the hottest song nyalo la Mzansi nyalo Amapiano? Ngoma leshisako nyalo. Yeah. Amapiano nyalo. Level December survive ngayo kabuhlungu kabi.
Okay, Dakiwesibali.
Bani?
Dakiwesibali.
Oh, ngitakiwe sibali. Ngiyo le. Okay, wena.
Yo. Ngoma ishati mina le ngitivisa ko teningi yabo mara ngathi bantu sibathandza tiphi yabo
Wena loyithandzako wena vele ka number 1
yo vele ngasi tonga vele ka number 1
yabo akunanzaba nekungabala yinye ke
okay le kuthi sengitivana nokushona kwelanga
okay wena
Stakiwe Sibali ngasithandwa sami
wena
Ufuna negoli nadakiwe.
Okay mae i-cash content yona
Skate sala sa di rap dance man cash contact ha trafa ha shandafa ha yewana mana dona kista ha
ayishizi vele ayishizi ninantati ungayishanya lo mara le challenge vele nangisengayikhona so namhla kunabani la
na Amelia.
Okay, Anela. Now a few questions for Amelia. Oh, sorry about that. My questions here for you, Scott Mapuma or Lime Crazy? Scott Maphuma or Lee Crazy?
Scott Maphuma.
Inzap.
Huh?
Inzap.
Because ngithanda ingoma ta Scott Maphuma.
Okay. Ingoma leshisako nyalo. Lamzazi. Yemapiano ngiphi?
Piri Marung. Yes.
First and strong lip.
Skrrra.
Nip lona lelo. Ngisho la kusi laba sayakhona vele njenga Scott Maphuma yabo. La kusi hayi wena man. Woza la wena man. Get yabo to le njalo nje. Strong. Njenga vocalistic la crash contact khona. Ha yabo. Kuphi loku strong. Scott Maphuma la uthi khona watch.
Angiyazi le ndaba ngizoyithini nizosibona nani.
La vocalistic.
Ale ngoma ngiyathi kuskrrra phela.
Ngiphi la skrrra ingoma?
Ngileya ya Piri Marung angithi.
Bala skrrra.
It's a skrrra. Vroom rapper.
Oh vrpa. Mayela baskrrra kusebagama umini.
Kule ngoma.
Yini into lobuka yona la? Namuhla la sikhona khona nyalo.
Tokutobuka Scott Maphuma.
Tele lokho nje. Bafana.
Angisanandzaba nawo.
Awunandzaba nabo.
Angisanandzaba nawo.
Inzabo.
Abafana banamaqiniso.
Wena bekufuna ubusekhaya kunulele nyalo. Kume njani?
Ngithe ngiyahamba ngiyakubona Scott Maphuma. Uyofika before 9 mangobuya ngo10 and Scott Maphuma nyalo sek9 sola akafiki.
Mina kumele umukile wena.
Ntomuka.
Anje kufuna sibachazele abatali bakho wrong. Wrong le ndawo. Ufuna abanyalo amuka nyalo. Yena ufuna abe sakubheleketa nje basikhetha la sakubheleketa uyamuka wena.
Ngiyamuka.
Yo sinabatali bahlupheka shela.
Oh.
Yeah. Yabo asikhathi sakho ne. Today I'm here with
Zulu boy.
who?
Mfana Mzulu.
Okay, I'm from Zulu. So Zulu boy. Okay, Zulu boy man, I got a few questions for you, ne? So my first question is Scott Maphuma or Lee Crazy?
Squad boy, squad.
Eh?
Squad Maphuma. Yeah.
Angiyakusemba. Okay, so what's the hottest song right now? Lamzansi, piano song.
Kwenzile. Track yakhe man ceda kuphuma ya. Uyithini?
Manyala. Okay, ngishaya leli verse lakhe muzwe.
Lomjita. Ngiyathi leli verse lakhe mara ya. Ipoza lomjita.
Ngishaya leya. One by one or watch yakhona.
Ukuthi ngathi so.
Wendani? Wena njalo.
Just challenge yakhona nje.
Akusiye kuleya ukuthi washa amadambu uta. Akusiye le track leyo. Wishi. Abona ukuthula. Nakhuze. Maningi la matrack.
Ayiceda kuphuma nyalo.
Kumanyalo.
Bayathi.
Indlula cash contact mna. Indlula cash contact.
Cash contact. Yeah.
Indlula le. Umbusha yona le.
Ngiyo yona le cash contact.
Shothi elvis lakhe lalishali la vocalistic.
Ladlala la vocalist.
Ha? Angeke.
Never! Hey, ningasari! Hey, ningasari, man! Hi, man! Hi! Hi!
Sivelele la ngilo le representa le challenge. Yeah.
Amara ngeke.
Para squad ishayile.
Hayi mna le vocalistic ngichango mna. Angiyala mna. Ngeke.
Angeke afikela.
Ngeke mna.
Naye bamphakamisa vocalist bamnika feature lapha.
Lapha mna.
Yakhe. Bamnika feature lapha.
Mna. Vocalistic mna. Lapha kuleli verse la.
Bananyana.
Le track le ngileli verse la.
Ngathi ngisho ukuthi lethuthi sekusiwe wathiwa yabona niyo le talent.
Mara into lakhona siyathi iqiniso la. Vocalistic kuleli verse la unmatched. No competition. Sekwasala.
Kulishayile mara mina vele ngithanda lela squad. Yabo. Ngibona ngathi ngiyili best.
So vele nyalo ula for Maphuma vele.
Yeah, ngilana for yena lomjita vele na kanjani yazi.
Okay, poza yama. I'm here with.
It's your boy Mastermind Gosi. Make sure to follow me on YouTube.
Okay, Mastermind Gosi. So, boy, I got a few questions for you, ne? So, Scott Maphuma or Lee Crazy?
Scott Maphuma, my G. Scott Maphuma.
Why, poza yama?
He's the GOAT. He's the GOAT. That's all I can say. He's the GOAT.
Okay, name the hottest song in Mzansi right now.
The hottest song in Mzansi or Scott Maphuma's hottest song?
Mzansi poza ya.
Just the hottest song in Mzansi.
Yeah.
I'd say Biri Maroon.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Biri Maroon. Yes, sir.
Okay, the hottest verse right now.
Still Biri Maroon vocalistics verse.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Nah, I don't think I can, Maji.
Okay.
I've got a problem with my voice.
Okay, I understand, Boza. Okay, so what are you bringing to the table today, Boza?
Today?
Yeah, today, tonight, Boza. Tonight, right here.
Whom am I bringing it to?
To the table, man, with the chance, you know.
Nah, man, I ain't bringing nothing.
Nothing, man.
I ain't bringing nothing.
Okay, Boza. So, Velela, we pull up just to see Maphuma, Boza.
I'm just here for the vibe, Maji, and the content.
Yeah.
The vibe and the content, number one. Maphuma comes third, I guess.
Oh, that's crazy, man. Okay. Leave a message for your subscribers on YouTube.
Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you already subscribed, pray for me. I'ma keep pushing. I'ma drop some new content real soon.
Okay, Boza. So the last question is, what are you looking forward to tonight?
Tonight, looking forward to having so much fun, man, and creating so much content. Enough content to last for a month.
Okay, Boza. Thank you so much, Boza. Away. So today I'm here with Neo. What is it? Neo. Okay, Neo. Scott Maphuma or Lee Crazy?
Scott Maphuma.
Why?
Because I love Scott Maphuma. He's the best.
Okay, what's the hottest song right now in Mzansi? I'm a piano song.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, Ibiri Maroon.
Yeah, Ibiri Maroon.
Oh, I guess got that.
Yeah.
Zandaba. Okay, the hottest verse. Yeah, that's great. This is how your little verse.
It's how comes.
The verse is strong, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Scott Maphuma very sound.
Believe, I'm sharing on a little verse, man. Little blind, was I?
Oh, really, evil.
Which one was that? I'm not going to do that. You're going to do that. You're going to do that. Focalistic. The podcast got that. I don't know why I'm born in the way. I'm going to pose. So, when I'm in, very namu, Angela. La KTV, very. You learn how to do it.
We want to add a small activist at Dalata.
I don't want to tell Maphuma now.
I don't do a symbol, you know. It's a symbol. I'm not to say about five.
Oh, very nice. Oh, today over very well. Okay, so I'm saying now, Banla.
Phumzile Chwala.
Okay, Phumzile song nembuto nyana for wena ne.
All right.
Scott Maphuma ne or Lee Crazy?
Scott Maphuma.
Inzawo.
Ngiyamthanda i-role model yami.
Ngiyamthanda vele. Vele namhla uva ngaso ngamuka naye ne.
No, ayikumuka naye but just i-role model yami. Like ngeke ngize ngimuke naye noma nginini.
Usakhulumisa wena ungashuka?
Yebo kungashuka why for the why. Artist alinaska setindo leti serious empilweni. Lesikhathi sokudlala and umuntu la ngahlali la. Yabo.
Okay, ngiyakuthemba lapho. So ngiphi ingoma leshisako nyalo emapiano nyalo?
Mina lengithanda ngasuku yangijova. I don't know ukuthi ngiphi ingoma leshisa ke emapiano.
Suku yangijova. Ayisuku yangijova. Okay, ngiyibona wish ne.
Yeah.
Usine Cash Contant. Cash Contant Biri Maroon. Biri Maroon.
Yeah, naleyo imnanzi. I-right grand naleyo.
So namhla vele ubukelele kuyini vele namhla khona la?
Ngenteni?
Ubukelele inje vele la njengoba ulawo.
Ngibukelele kubona Scott Maphuma. Ngimbona aperforma ingoma nokuthi ngiyadithanda.
So vele ngase wena ngase udele yena vele la.
Yeah.
Mukiwana ngi. Mukiwana ngi.
Yes.
Qobo. Uthi 1.
Yebo.
Kunebongani kani?
Hey,
bakhona bangani ngibatholela mara
Ubatholela amara. Impilo loyiphilako.
ngendeni
Impilo loyiphilako.
impilo yini impilo lekahle ngithothi yini like okay umuntu wami ngilethile then but bangani ngibatholela like ngichamuke ngiyi-1 naye umukile waya kolala kanasitshwala
Yokulanza vele. Usho?
100% sure
Ay, mina ngazi ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho ne. Yeah. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video and please make sure to subscribe. Cheers.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying. Get in Igbo. Get out of here for real. I'm saying get out of here for real. I'm saying get out of here.